Family time, yeah.
Love your Viking look, Levi.
Happy Halloween! Happy Rocktober!
It's October 5th, right? No.
6th.
October 6th. Tim returned from America today, which is really exciting, and we're going to lunch together. I got a salmon poke bowl and the ceviche seaweed cone. Don't actually know what it's called, but it looks delicious. Here comes Tim with his fast food.
It's actually Brazilian barbecue fast food.
Ooh, did you miss that while you were in America?
Maybe a little.
Ooh.
There are always beans. I'm at Levi's school. I'm just gonna pick him up. We're just really excited to just pick him up and kiss him and hold him. Here we are together. Hi. Oh, what? Oh, great. Levi's just having a look at all of these happy, smiley faces. So good to see you, buddy. Levi's got an appointment at 2 o'clock just for a quick checkup. He's been a bit sick. Levi. Levi, do you see your Yoda kit? Who's that? Who's that?
This is Levi's Halloween costume, and Levi thinks that the model looks like his friend in Brasilia. His name is Kai.
Oh, it looks like he's found your Halloween costume.
And we're back at the park again. One of Levi's favorite spots. Korean feast, yes.
Hi.
Celebrating Chuseok.
Oh, I see that little smile, huh? Oh, keeping mommy company while she recovers. Hi, baby. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling a lot better, and Levi's making me feel better.
Mama, Mama, Mama.
I'm feeling well enough to attempt to go to work. Uh-oh. Yeah. I tried to go to work yesterday, but only stayed for an hour because I still had a fever. So today I'm going to try and stay the whole day. We're all going to leave together, which is so fun.
Yeah.
Levi did throw up this morning, so we're just hoping that doesn't mean he's sick.
It's October 12th here. It's a public holiday in Brazil. Yeah. Family time. Yeah. Oh.
Perfect.
Which one's that, Levi? Let's see. What have you got there? Oh, Australia. Oh, we haven't been there yet. What's the matter? Why are you crying? Oh dear. She's taking Levi out now to actually give Gloria a break. She has a fever and hasn't been feeling well this week since Sunday. I happened to find out from one of our neighbors that they've got something on at the CCBB. Looks like it's a big activity day for little kids. A few stalls, food trucks, a lot of families with little ones just hanging out. There's some clowns giving away balloons. Hello. Oh. Yeah, hi. Can I get a balloon? Okay. Okay. It definitely looks like the clowns scare Levi. But let's see if he'll take a balloon. Do you want a balloon? Wow, what's this? Balloon. Okay, Appa's got you, okay? Papa's got you. I'll protect you from the clouds. What do you see? What is that?
Eu estou atrapalhando.
Ah.
Mas é que ele é tão simpático, ele tá aqui brilhando. Não tem como não atrapalhar essa foto.
Do you like acai? Yeah, okay. Let's get some. Whoa, okay, Appa, help you. Yeah, Levi's very much into self-feeding right now. Do you like acai? Oh, there's your balloon. Yeah, take. Levi, record me. Hi. Levi's recording. Levi's doing the vlogging. Good job, buddy. Hey. This is a whole lot of fun, hey Levi? Greetings from the supermarket. Levi is nice and comfortable in his trolley, and we're gonna go and get a little bit of fruit and some goodies to cook at home. Yeah? Shall we get some apples? What do you think of these? Whoa, what are these? Whoa, oranges. Do you like oranges? What are those? Nana. Thank you. Obrigado. Levi loves pau de queijo. Oh yeah? You want that? Okay. Hi Levi, what are you saying to yourself? Did you have a fun time with Appa? Yeah. Let's go and say hi to Oma, okay? Yeah. Let's go show Oma. Okay? Yay. Hi Levi. Oh, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna go swimming? No? Then why are you wearing your swim diaper, your rash guard and your sun hat? Hello. Levi and I are gonna go swimming now. Gloria doesn't have the day off, so it's just father and son time. You ready? 1, 2, 3, wow! Good boy. Levi, you look so cool. You little dudester. Come here, cool dude. Levi's demanding watermelon, which he calls apple. Gonna get some rice, I bet. Yep, okay. Good job. Levi, did you just get a lollipop? Do you like that? Oh, Levi's such a charmer. He just scored a lollipop from the owner over there. Hey bud, got yourself some dessert there? Oh. Okay, I guess I gotta open that up for you, huh? Okay, Appa will help you. Okay, there we go.
Hi, Levi. Are we going on a Saturday adventure? There's our first look at the waterfall. Look at those slides. You can camp here. That's pretty cool. The property is actually quite large, which we didn't know. We just thought that it was this one waterfall, but there's a couple of swimming pools and a campground, as well as a restaurant.
And slides.
But they don't look toddler friendly. So we might not be able to do those today. We'll see. We'll see. We could take turns.
Yeah.
So close to Brasilia, so I could see ourselves coming here fairly frequently. Oh, spit's getting really steep now. And I'm out of breath. I'm not carrying a little person on my back. Go Tim! Great job! I'll be there.
Okay.
Hopefully soon.
Okay.
We seem to be approaching the waterfall. So pretty. Going down to the waterfall now. Approaching a restaurant. Tim's lunch, Glow's lunch. Gonna check out the kiddie pool. Okay guys, are we gonna go?
Well, what's it?
A treat for the road. Cheers, huh? Cheers!
Can Appa have some?
Aww. I'm gonna head home now.
Yep.
We spent about 4 hours here. It was so fun. Tim and I didn't get to try the adult slide, so definitely coming back.
Happy Saturday. We're at Boulevard Shopping Mall, just wanting to get out of the house for a little bit and then take Levi to the little play center they've got here.
Yeah.
And maybe do some shopping.
Levi, do you like that shirt? 그게 좋아? 우리한테 보여줘. He likes this one. 오, 좀 큰데. Looks like you got a new outfit. You have a new hat and some board shorts. We got having a little sweet treat. And Levi got a balloon. Uh-oh, I think he heard it. He needs a kiss.
Oh, okay.
On his thumb. Ah, it's a 괜찮아. Okay. Levi. Yeah. He's going down the slide by himself now. Woo! Yeah. Again. Good job, big boy.
Mice.
What's mice? Oh, more. He's counting down.
Date night tonight. Yeah, we're getting a massage. How romantical. Oh yeah.
Date night. Going to Macca's for dinner. Tim's being fancy tonight.
Yeah. Treating my girl to some McNuggets and a cheeseburger.
Haven't measured Levi's height in a while. Let's see Levi 얼마나 컸는지 봐야지.
Let's see how tall you are, buddy.
Levi, are you gonna let us measure your height?
Do you want to stand here?
Oh,
Okay.
he just woke up from his nap, so
Yeah.
he's a bit cranky.
I think we might have to do this a little later, mommy.
Okay, it's okay. 괜찮아.
I know. Come here, come here.
In a good mood now?
Some rice in his hair. Kind of with the spot that is itchy.
Levi, there's rice there.
Make it clear it's rice and not lice. There you go.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Levi, thanks for helping carry the groceries.
You put it in the back of the car,
Good
okay?
job.
You gonna put it in there? Give me 5.
Yeah, 잘했어요. I
Stand
think Levi is ready to cooperate now. Let's see. Uh-oh, now he's into the pen.
Measure your height.
Maybe get a different pen.
Chewbacca. Uh-oh, look at C-3PO. He's going, oh my. That's right. Uh-oh, that's right. Who's that? Darth Vader. Stormtroopers. Order, order. Ooh, TIE fighters. That's right, they make a funny noise. Yeah, they look like bubbles. Those are actually big rocks. They're called asteroids. Yeah, they do.
One last story before bedtime.
Han Solo is frozen in carbonite. Jawas go, Ootini! That's right. How does R2-D2 go? Doot, doot, doot. Yes, look at the pig. How does pig go? Who's that? Leia. Aww. Yeah, Yoda, he's passing away and becoming one with the Force. Ewoks. How do Ewoks go? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yep, that means he's tired. Levi, 이제 자러 가야지.
Gloria has just put on her Halloween costume and it's time for the big reveal. Levi, do you know what Mom's gonna be dressed as? Do you know?
Mama.
Mama, okay. Mama's coming now, okay? Okay, Oma. Oma's coming through.
Just Leia.
Who's that, Levi? Leia, that's right. Wow, you look fabulous, honey. Hi.
Oh.
Levi, who's that? Oh, he's quite fascinated now.
Not bad for a Target costume.
Hey, you look fantastic. I'll be your Han any day.
Levi, come on. 1, 2, 3.
Happy Halloween! Hi!
Happy Halloween! We are Leia
Han Solo!
and Yoda! So fun. This is the first time that Tim and I have dressed up for Halloween since we've been together, right?
Yeah. And Levi's favorite Star Wars character is Leia, so.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
So we are going to go to a Halloween party now. Here comes Yoda. Hi.
Hi!
Oh, Yoda, you are too cute.
bud.
가자.
To the Millennium Falcon! Hey Levi, throw the ball! Yay!
We're getting some
sweet. Share his straws with me.
Yoda has left the building. Levi has returned and he is tired. It's almost 9 now, right?
Yeah.
It's like an hour and a half past his bedtime, but we had fun.
So much fun.
Good night.
Good night. 1, 2, 3. Again. Come sit here. Are you ready? Okay, are we gonna count? Let's count. 1, 2, 3.
Sunday fun day. 우리 자전거 탈 거야. 하이파이브.
Yay! We're gonna go bike. Yeah. Should we put on your head?
Yeah.
Lift your head. Good.
가자.
가자.
리바이 신 신어야지. 신 가져가.
Go get your shoes. Oh yeah, there's one shoe there, one shoe there.
신 신어야지, 리바이. 앉아. 엄마가 해줄게. 엄마 신 주세요. Thank you. 아이고. Levi's helping mommy get her cycling shoes on. He's chosen a lovely ballet flat. Thank you, Levi. Oh,
So cute.
my son treats me like a princess, huh?
Like Princess Leia.
We're on the eixo. It's been super hot in Brasilia for at least the last like 4 to 6 weeks, so that's kept us from the eixo. But today it's actually pretty nice.
Yeah, we're gonna ride the eixo. Eixo.
Do a thumbs up, Levi.
Yeah.
Wow, now these orange trees are blooming. These trees are so beautiful. Everyone is stopping to take photos.
Okay, we got a leaky diaper situation here. Diaper change was successful. Gonna try and measure Levi's height again.
It's our 3rd time trying. 이거 그럼 엄마 줘야지. 하나는 엄마 줘야지. 이렇게. 이렇게. 똑바로서. 똑바로. 그렇지. 오. 와.
Wow, Levi. Wow, Levi.
Oh, you're gonna be that tall? When are you gonna be that tall? Levi is 33 inches!
Woo!
And my big question is he tall enough to go on the Ferris wheel at Nicolandia?
Yeah!
Oh, look at how much you've grown in 4 months.
Oh my word.
An inch and a half.
Yeah.
Wow!